Welcome back to Italy and Go channel. This is Lily. I will be your host today. Now I'm in Bangkok and this road is Sukhumvit Soi 19 road and I'm in front of the BTS station. Yeah, let's go guys. Oh, this is one of the biggest shopping mall in Bangkok, Terminal 21. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this is a steakhouse. The name is Argentinian Steakhouse. It's a place for steak. So this is the Western Grand Sukhumvit Hotel, and in front of this is 7-Eleven convenience store. Wow, there is a 2 massage shop over there. Here, Vanita massage and welcome massage 2. And also beauty salon, tea salon. You can haircut, also nail. And it's also a massage. Whole noodle stand. Yeah, there's a too many. What is it? It also Indian food stand, yeah. Beside me is a Sanctuary Clinic. Yeah, it may be aesthetic clinic. And it's also a massage. And there's also too many various kinds of massage shops. It's a salon beauty. Yeah, you can wax and eyelash and knee manicure. Yeah. And there's a fashion shop. Wow, here's a bar. Massage. What is it? Chinese restaurant. And also drugstore, pharmacy. So this is the SV guest house and also a massage shop. So behind me is a Santa Hotel Uno, and the room price are starting from 1,500 baht, so which costs around $40. And they have a cafe shop, a GG cafe shop, and also in front of me is a www cafe shops. So let's go and check it out, guys. In this shop, you can get various kinds of coffee, like mocha, americano, cappuccino, and Thai milk tea, and also hot chocolate, like various kind. And I order Thai milk tea. Yeah. So let's taste it. coffee is really sweet and fresh for me. Yeah. This one is decorated with white color tone, so it looks like really simple and minimalistic. Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. And the price of this milk tea is 85 baht. 85 baht, so which costs around $2. The price is not bad. Yeah, reasonable price. Okay, let's go another. And also there's another coffee shop here. All coffee, all time greatest taste. This that. Hello. Can I get pineapple?
Spicy?
Spicy, yeah, a little. Okay. In this shop, you can get various types of fruits, like pineapple, watermelon, and guava, and also mango. And so I order pineapple with spicy sauce. So, how is it? Okay. Eat it. Not too sour, and it's really sweet. The taste is so good. I like it. The fruit taste also fresh and juicy. It's really juicy. Look. The price of pineapple is just 20 baht, so which costs around 60 cents. It's really can afford it everywhere, I think. Yeah. Oh, they also Fuller Kids is an English program for daycare and nursery for kids. It's a service good. Behind me is a SQ Boutique Hotel, and the room price are starting from 2,300 baht, so which costs around $60. It's expensive for me. Yeah. In this valley, there's a Grand Valley House too. Yeah. Okay, let me stop my video here, and if you want to know more about the rest of this area, you can watch this video from our sister channel, Easily Bangkok. Don't forget to watch, and bye bye guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.